This is a map of the world drawn by Cerb. Countries shaded by population, capital cities on top. You can zoom it, drag it, and click any of it. There is no map library underneath, no Leaflet, no Mapbox, no tile server, no API key. It is one file. 983 lines of plain JavaScript. It replaced two libraries. Cerb drew this with D3 and TopoJSON, and the map was the last thing calling TopoJSON. That file was deleted the day this shipped. 16 minutes later, D3 went too. So did C3, and 2 jQuery plugins, 5 libraries, and 3/4 of a megabyte in one morning. The map data are records in the same work list as everything else in Cerb, and the one at the top did not ship with it. Somebody added that. All 3,221 counties of the United States fit in a single 2 megabyte file. That works because the shapes are TopoJSON, geojson with the duplication taken out. A border between two states is stored once as an arc, and both point at it. Reading it back means walking those arcs. A negative index is the same arc traveled backwards. And the vertex that 2 arcs share has to go, or every seam doubles, then flatten it. Web Mercator is about 5 lines of arithmetic, and it stops just past 85 degrees, where the projection runs away to infinity. Color has 3 modes. This one is a Choropleth, population bucketed into 8 classes, with a legend it builds itself. The United States gets its own projection. AlbersUsa is 3 at once, a cone over the lower 48, one each for Alaska and Hawaii, each with its own window. And this is a color map. A dictionary with California and Texas named and no legend, because there is no scale to explain. Zoom runs from 1 to 40 times, half again on every press. Borders stay a single pixel the whole way up, because the browser holds the stroke instead of the code redrawing it. Click a feature, and everything else dims. The property table is configured, which keys appear, what they are called, how they are formatted. Which raises a fair question. If you write the projection math yourself, how do you know it is right? You keep the libraries you are replacing, and run them as the answer key. D3 and TopoJSON both load in Node, with no browser anywhere. 14 assertions on the pure math, 24 more on the whole build. The decoder came out byte for byte identical to TopoJSON's own, across all 3 maps. 250,000 points, no differences. It caught 3 things that would never have arrived as a bug report. The best one is a matrix. D3's color code goes through lab with the Bradford D50 matrix, not the D65 matrix you would reach for first. Pick the wrong one, and the ramp drifts 14 values per channel through the middle. Not obviously wrong. Just not the same picture. None of this is stuck on a reference page. The same component is a dashboard widget, a profile widget, and a form element. Click a region, and an automation gets the event. Maps, no map library.